It's time. We're a week out from our big trip, and so I'll let you with the rundown of what's going on. So, very excited, must say, by the way. What? Yeah, Waikou. We'll be leaving Waikou, and we'll hopefully be picking Ash up from the airport. And from there we will be heading to Matakana. On the Sunday we are planning to be there at about 12 o'clock. Longley Brothers, and then from there afternoon there, and then hopefully that night, is all going to plan. We will be going to Brotary, meeting up the boys there, and we will be driving all the way up to Awanui, and we'll be seeing the boys from Awanui. Might need a bed to stay at. Next day, which is this Monday, boys will be spend the day with the boys or whatever up there. We'll come back down to Whangarei, do something at Whangarei, and hopefully get back to Auckland either Monday night, early Tuesday morning to do the Auckland run. Go see all his other boys that are in Auckland. Can't think of all more at the moment, but yeah. Wednesday, hopefully we will get to Hamilton, go see Scotty and Josh and HBR. That's the plan there. And then, so Thursday, we will travel down to Tikwiti, someone to Tikwiti. You Plymouth, go see BLG Engineering and all those boys down there. And we'll probably need a bed down there to stay the night. And then from there, which will be Wednesday, Thursday, so it'll be Friday. Friday we plan on doing Wanganui, go see Cole and Pararumu and the garage races in Wellington. Hopefully you can see them late Friday night, I think it is. Yep. And then from there, it is Wellington to Masterton, and the boys reckon that they got a bit of a strip opened up for us there, so we'll spend the day there. Oh, there goes my little winky wonky. So Masterton, so we'll spend the day there, so that'll be Saturday, hopefully, all running according to plan. So Sunday, we will be travelling back up to this island, and we will be hopefully stopping at that place called Smash Palace. And then we will make our way to Taupo. We'll stay the night in Taupo, so hopefully we can, I don't have too many people in Taupo, but there must be some boys in Taupo that we can hook up with. So that'll be Saturday or Sunday night. We got here, and then so from there we'll be going to Napier. Haven't heard from much from Napier, but hopefully got something we can fucking look at. And hopefully we get to Gisborne. That's a big bit of a journey for us, but we'll get to Gisborne. Stay the night in Gisborne, and then from there we'll make it over to, so what day are we up to? The 27th from now. Potiki, Whakatane, Rotorua. Probably one day, which will be lost losing days. Tuesday, something, Thursday. Hold on, not sure. Get back to you on that. But anyway, and then from there, Tauranga. We've got a bit to do around Tauranga ways. So it'll be like maybe 2 days in Tauranga ways, and then back home. I'll go to Matamata, go to T-Rail, go see Brennan, go see Brett hopefully, and there's a few other people here and there and everywhere. Tauranga's on here, we're real busy in Tauranga. Go see Hayden and heaps of years, which is going to be really cool. And then from there, back down to Hampton Downs, corner at Mad Mike's, have coffee there, and then back to the Coup, which should be the 30th, hopefully-ish, and all the boys around here, all my local boys, hopefully we can score Clown's Pad for the day, and if the van's going, you know, death by van maybe, I don't know, we'll get it amongst it anyway, and hopefully send back Ash off on the 1st, which is a Monday, I think. I might be a bit mixed up with those days, but that's sort of what I'm going with. It's a huge fucking trip. these are just the times that I've gone on, and from there it was almost 3,000 kilometer trip and 40 hours plus of driving. So it's a week, and it's going to take us about 2 weeks to get around. I'm going to get hold of all these boys anyway to make sure we contact and get some addresses and those sort of cool things. But that is where I'm at, and it is Monday morning, and Saturday here we come. Sunday we're going to be at Matakana, Longley's. Whoop, 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 whoop. Things are looking good. Just cold, but it's cool. So see you hopefully on the tour. Shout out to everyone that's helped me already and all that sort of shit, because oh man, it's just been overwhelming. You know who you are. There's a few of yous. There's actually way heaps of you. It's way too much. So much good people out there. If I can't name them off, I'll name them off at some stage though. What else I've got to say? Oh man, I've really got to finish up a few things on the van, but man, it's on. It's us. So here we go. I'm looking forward to meeting everyone and catching up. And it's just going to be wicked. So that's us. Peace.